Happy Thursday and welcome back. Today we're going to be making Ayote and Miel, or honeyed squash. And if you're ready, I'm ready. To prepare our dessert, we need 2 ingredients, brown sugar and a squash. First, we need to cut our squash in half and remove the seeds. Once all of these seeds are removed, we're going to cut our halves into quarters. So in total, we'll have 8 long crescent-shaped pieces of squash, and we'll essentially just cut those up into chunks. Now that our squash is taken care of, you have to measure out 2 cups of brown sugar. Place that to the side and prepare your pot with aluminum foil on the bottom. Place your sugar, that's about 2/3 of a cup, on the bottom, and then you can start placing the squash face down or meat down onto the sugar. In doing so, you're more likely to have a sweeter dessert at the end of it because you have the part of the squash that's going to absorb the sugar touching the sugar. Now we're going to repeat these steps, adding another 2/3 of a cup of sugar on top of the first layer of squash. Once we have that all laid down, we're going to go ahead and add another layer of squash on top of this. So the order of the layers that we have thus far is sugar, squash, and the way we're going to wrap this up is with the remaining 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Now we're going to start the actual cooking process. At about a heat of 2 for about 10 minutes, you're going to heat up your squash. And this is what it should look like. The squash should have released some water and you won't have to add anything else. Now you're going to turn on your stove to about a heat of 5. And we will be at that heat for about 45 minutes. Once time is up and you uncover, this is what you should see. And now we're ready to eat. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more. Bye.